Hey, Shalom. I want to give all praises to Yahweh, YASHARAHLA. Double honors to the apostles of GMS in whom the truth resides. This is Brother Hashem Yah, GMS Indiana camp. This is ran across this earlier, man. I should have put this video up earlier. I fell asleep, but I ran across this earlier today. Evidently, Japan is trying to flex military might along with America. You know, right? This is not according to scriptures, because it's not going to be no allies, man. This thing is going to be every man for itself. All right. Japan is partnering up with America, and I think there's some more fighter jets from I think he said China. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm gonna play a little bit of this, and I got a scripture.
Air forces of Seoul and Washington sent a clear message to North Korea through a combined exercise. The unprecedented drill simulated precision strikes against key facilities. F-35B stealth fighters were in the mix for the first time, accompanied by B-1B bombers from Guam and 4 F-15K fighter planes from the South Korean Air Force. They carried out air-to-ground strikes against what would be nuclear and missile facilities and the regime's leadership during wartime. The Air Force characterized it as an air interdiction operation, displaying the Allies' determination to deal.
He said an air interdiction operation. So there was no bombs dropped, but they showing that missile right there being dropped, but nothing was nothing was implicated. But they were trying to show military might. But days for bluffing is about to be over with, man. They're going to have to shoot them boys off. Ain't nobody scared of you flying in their fly zone or nothing. Okay.
Resolutely with the regime.
The B-1s flew to Japanese airspace with Japan Air Self-Defense Force F-2 fighters.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Corporal Devin Pomachan. U.S. bombers conducted bilateral missions with Pacific allies in direct response to North Korea's escalatory launch of intercontinental ballistic missiles.
As a demonstration of the U.S.'s ironclad commitment to its allies, 2 U.S. Air Force B-1B bombers joined their Republic of Korea and Japanese counterparts for sequenced bilateral missions. After taking off from Andersen Air Force Base, Guam, the B-1s flew to Japanese airspace with Japan Air Self-Defense Force F-2 fighters. Then the B-1s flew over the Korean Peninsula, where they were joined by 4 Republic of Korea F-15s.
It was South Korea, Japan, and America. Okay, I'm gonna just get this scripture because they just showed a lot of dramatic shit. All right. All right, this is Jeremiah. This first scripture that popped in my head when I seen that. This is Jeremiah 50:22. He said, "A sound of battle is in the land, and of great destruction. How is the hammer of the whole earth cut asunder and broken? How has Babylon become a desolation among the nations? Well, it hasn't yet, but it's about to be." Posted a video yesterday about them closing a few consulates, Russian consulates. I'm just sharing all these these little clips, man, because war is imminent, man. All right, I can't wait till they start institute the draft, man. Start taking some of these little dreadhead bastards and shit to fucking war. All right. Yeah, there's a little quick insert, man. Oh shit, I don't know if I gave all praise to y'all. I mean, give honors to the apostles, man. If I didn't, it's like it. I came in from work. Shit fell straight to sleep, man. I just ended up getting up, man. Watching these, finishing up this video. But I want to give a double honors to the apostle GMS, in whom the truth resides. Peace and blessings be multiplied until you Akim out there that's pushing this truth, man. Sincerity, man. All right, slack it for that. All right, brothers. You brothers, stay blessed, man. Stay prayerful, brothers. We're in the last times. Shalom.